Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaleidoscope91, and if this is your first time, welcome! I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you find other videos on my channel that you like and that's actually helpful to you, because I have a lot of videos on here, and I hope that you find something that makes you want to subscribe. Now, let's talk about what we're going to do in this video. So my hair is stretched, and I have two Valentine's Day hairstyles. I have like some Valentine's Day hairstyles, some date night hairstyles that I first did when I came on YouTube. So I'll link those down below. But today I want to do another heart Valentine's Day hairstyle on my stretched hair. How many of you are loving the stretched hair? Because I do. Okay. Anyways, so let's just get into the video. So I'm starting off on blow dried hair. Then I will make a slim rectangular section towards the front of my head. Once I'm done making the section, I will go ahead and use the Dark and Lovely Let's Jam gel to slick down the section. Now I'll remove an even slither of hair towards the front of the section and place the hair through the ring of my heart accessory. I got this accessory at a beauty supply store like 2 years ago. Now once the accessory is in place, I will flat twist my hair towards the crown of my head because, well, I can't cornrow, and then I will secure it with a rubber band. Now I will section my hair into two parts, and these sections don't have to be perfect because most of it will be concealed by the end of the hairstyle anyways. I then smooth my hair and secure each section into a ponytail. Then I'll slick down the front of my hair to my liking. Now I will plait or braid each section and secure each braid with a rubber band at the end. For the heart braid, I'm going to use this really vibrant red cankalon hair that I got from my local beauty supply store and attach it to the top section. And now I'm going to use this pre-braided braid that I made in my halo braid video. You can check that out in the link in the description, or I'll attach it somewhere up on this video. I'm going to attach it to the second or the bottom portion of my head. Now once everything is in place, I wrap my braided hair, which is in the bottom section, around the top section and tuck the ends into the ponytail. And I'll do the same for the top section, tucking it into the bottom ponytail. I then bobby pin the red hair in place and proceed to make two braids with the hair, securing each braid with a rubber band. Now I'll proceed to make the shape of the first half of the heart with the red braid at the base of my head and secure the shape with bobby pins. Now be sure to secure the top round part of the heart along with the side part with bobby pins so the heart doesn't lose its shape when you move your head. I'll then make the second part of the heart in the same manner. Now that the heart is secure and to my liking, I will wrap the ends of the red hair around the bottom section where the jumbo braid is. Tuck the ends in and secure with bobby pins. Now, once you're done, you can wear this braided hairstyle as is. Just make sure that if you do a better job at tucking your braided hair from the bottom into the top portion, or you can accessorize like I decided to do and hide all those flaws. Guys, this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.